Hello,
How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My name is Justine. Could you introduce yourself, tell me where you're from and what you do?
My name is Ramzan and I am a software professional.
Wow, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice
And
to
where are
meet
you
you
from?
too. I'm from India and you?
Uh, we're in India. Sorry, I'll answer your question now. Where about in India?
Northern part of India.
Oh, wow, cool. Um, so I am, sorry, Northern. Okay. Um, I'm originally from South Africa, but I'm currently living in the United States with my husband.
So what's your profession? You are only teaching here or you are having any other thing?
So I do have a degree in communication science with specialization in corporate and marketing communication,
Mm-hmm.
but I am going through the immigration process,
Mm-hmm.
and obviously I cannot work until I receive all my legal documents to work in the US. So for now, I only have Cambly to
Mm-hmm.
keep me busy during the day and things like that. So yeah, for now it's just Cambly.
So you mean that you wanted to go to US, right? For work.
Yeah. Well,
And
my husband's yeah.
okay, so
So
in the pandemic you are living with your family, right?
yes.
Okay, great.
Yes, I was actually meant to fly over to the US in March
Uh-huh.
last year,
Uh-huh.
and then my flights were canceled 5 days before I was supposed to leave.
Okay.
And that's when everything was like shut down. Um, and then I was able to leave in October last year.
Okay, so actually, I am practicing on my listening skill. So, what I want is like you should share me about your culture, and I will be asking you a few questions. So, in that way, I will be moving ahead with the conversation. Is it fine?
Okay, good. Another way that we could do it is I could give you a listening skills test
Uh-huh.
to complete, and then there's like an activity
Okay.
that tests your listening skills to see how well you listened.
Yes. Yes, please.
Okay, so I'll do that, but I'm not gonna. I mean, your English sounds pretty well, like you're quite advanced, but because of time purposes, I'm gonna give you a shorter one, so it might be a bit easier than um, a more difficult type of one.
Okay.
Um, let's do this one. Traveling abroad. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen with you. Let me know if you can see it.
Yes, I can see it now.
Um, can you see that? Oh, it's loading. Okay, there we go.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, now I can see.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to do
Mm-hmm.
um, a little preparation activity. Then there'll be a listening activity, and then there'll be questions to answer based on that audio.
Okay.
Okay, so this isn't based on anything. This is just like a warm up. So as you can see, put the stages of traveling by plane in the correct order. So go to the check-in desk, arrive at the airport, go through immigration, plane takes off, wait at the boarding gate, board the plane. So, in which order? What would be first?
So you want me to reorder this?
Yes, to rearrange that. This is just a warm-up activity. So I'll have to do it on my end, but you will need to tell me
Hmm.
what goes where.
Arrive at the airport, go through immigration. No, sorry. Go through immigration.
Oh, wait, how do I move this up? Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. So arrive at the airport, which would be the next one.
No, no. First of all, there would be go through immigration.
Um, so that would you would put that after at the airport?
Yes.
Okay. Then
No, I'm talking about that on the first number. I mean, at the first place, there would be go through the immigration.
So arrive at the airport.
No. Arrive at the airport, not. First would be go through the immigration.
So this would be first.
Yes. Arrive
Okay.
at the airport, then go to the checking desk
Okay.
and wait for the boarding gate.
Okay. Oh. Oh. There. No, man. Why is
And
it being difficult? Okay, this is just messing with me. I'm so sorry, but that is not working well with me, and I see we're wasting time. Time's going quickly. So I'm going to play the audio for you, and then we can answer the questions, okay?
okay.
Okay, let's go.
A.
Sorry, do you have a pen and paper close by?
Yes, I have.
Take notes.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Good morning. This is an announcement for all passengers traveling on the 9:25 flight TOM 1223 to Rome. This flight is delayed by 2 hours because of bad weather.
B.
Would all passengers traveling to Tokyo on flight FR3421 please have your boarding passes and passports ready for boarding? Flight FR3421 now boarding at gate 21.
C.
This is the final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray flying to Athens on flight EZ9753. Your flight is ready to leave. Please go to gate 14 immediately. The doors of the plane will close in 5 minutes. Final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray.
D.
This is an announcement for passengers traveling to Amsterdam on flight KL1050. Will all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers traveling with young children please go to gate 6 for boarding? That's all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers traveling with young children go to gate 6 for boarding. Thank you.
B.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have landed at JFK Airport in New York, where the local time is 18:30 and the temperature is 76 degrees. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with American Airlines this evening and wish you a very safe journey to your final destination.
This recording was brought
Okay.
to you by the British.
Okay, now we have to match where each plane is going to. Okay? Can you remember where speaker A was going to out of New York, Amsterdam, Rome, Tokyo, or Athens?
The first plan I'm not able to catch, but the second was Tokyo.
Okay. Next one.
The fourth one was Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
And the third is New York, and the first one is that other one.
First one is
New York.
speaker A.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Speaker C and E.
The second one, Athens, or maybe.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's
We've only
fine.
got 5 seconds left. I didn't realize time was going by so quickly, but I would like to carry on with you at a later
Okay.
stage.
Okay.